Hey there. Um, Before we start this video, I request you to make notes for yourself and keep your system in front of you. You should also practice along with me whatever code I am going to write. And one more important thing, without practice, there is no use of learning this course. So let's get it started. In this video, we'll cover three things: syntax, Python indentations, and comments. So let's start with the Python syntax. So basically, what is syntax? Syntax is nothing but the set of rule that defines how a Python program will be written and interpreted. So let's take an example of Python syntax. So firstly, we'll open VS Code. Inside this main folder, we'll create one test.py Python file, and for the syntax example will print hello world. So print hello world. So we'll run this program and we can see here we have printed hello world. This is just a syntax of Python programming. Next we will see the indentations. So basically, what is indentations? So indentation is nothing but the space at the beginning of the code line, and indentation is very important in Python language. So firstly we'll see with the example. So if 2 greater than 1, print 2 is great 2 is greater than 1. Okay, so this is indentation, space at the beginning of the code line. So it is used to indicate the block of codes also. So be sure, it is very important in Python, and if we'll skip this indentation it will give an error. See, it's showing an error, right? So next we'll see what is comments. So basically, what is comments? Comments are used to explain what the code does, and they are ignored by Python interpreter. So here we'll see one example of comments. Firstly, we'll write one hello world program. This is comment. This is comment. Okay, and there are two types of comments. So in single line comments is going to define with hash, and another one is multiple line comments. Multiple line comments is going to represent with 3 columns. Okay, this is multiple line comments. Of key coding. Okay, so in the next video we'll talk about what is variable. So for this video, this much only. Thank you so much for watching.